Well, we did have a little storm activity earlier today, and now more is starting to move in again tonight.
Oh, lots to expect then.
Yes, more on the way tonight and on the way tomorrow, too. Let's take a look at our gorgeous sunset, though. We saw those clouds build in from the west from Fargo, though we enjoyed some sunshine today. You could see those rain showers beneath the clouds there as they move through tonight. Got a nice sunset out there, and now more clouds are starting to build in from the west. You can see them there just west of us, back over toward the James River Valley here, but still nice and bright out at 10 o'clock at night. 75 degrees is our current temperature. Our dew point is at 60, and wind is out of the south-southeast at 13 miles per hour. So here's a look at the radar. We saw things kind of fall apart later this evening after we saw those storms pop up this afternoon, but now more development and more storms pushing into kind of the same area that saw them this afternoon. So as we zoom in on the James River Valley, you could see just to the north and west of Jamestown, making their way around the Woodworth area and back over toward Pettibone, or just to the west of Pettibone area and back into Kidder County. Some storms there, so likely some lightning, perhaps some small hail. We heard that there was a little bit of pea-sized hail on the south side of the Jamestown area with that first round that went through. We may see a little bit there, and this does extend up into Foster County. We may be dealing with some rain in the Carrington area. One other little pocket of rain and thunder shower activity is over toward Hallock. A little pocket of rain and thunder showers for you there. That is also moving off to the east. We'll put this into motion, expand the view, show you where the clouds are. We have a cold front moving through, and you can see where it is just looking at the clouds and the rain right along this area. So it's starting to sweep through the valley, but it's a very slow mover. So tonight we're going to continue to watch this move its way eastward, and as it does so, there is a chance that we could see an isolated shower or even thunder shower rolling through overnight tonight. Can't rule that out. Our temperatures are very warm out ahead of this, still in the 70s in many places. 70 in Fergus Falls, Wahpeton, and Thief River Falls all at 70, 72 over in Oaks, but notice we're down into the 60s now. Valley City at 64 after some rain moved through there. Jamestown moved back up actually to 68 degrees after the showers earlier today. A little bit of a breeze out of the southeast, gusting to 20 miles per hour in Fargo. Otherwise, things are looking rather quiet for now tonight. So again, tonight we're going to watch those showers and thunder showers rolling through. They may make it as far east as Fargo-Moorhead this evening. This model a little ahead of itself of the storms that are moving into the James River Valley, but maybe later tonight we could hear a rumble of thunder, see a lightning strike, and maybe in a couple hours, maybe more toward midnight and toward that 2 a.m. time frame in the Fargo-Moorhead region. But again, this front's moving very slowly, but anywhere in the valley where we're along that front, we could be seeing a shower or thunder shower. This is going to continue eastward tonight. Southern Valley, a better bet for seeing some storms tomorrow morning at daybreak. 6:30 in the morning, a couple of ongoing storms, especially down toward the Richland County area with temperatures in the 50s and low 60s. And then another round rolls through, another low approaches, and with that we'll be seeing more chances for rain in southeastern North Dakota again. Moving kind of again in the same areas and on the western side of the Red River. Those will continue spreading eastward around lunchtime. If you wanted to be outside tomorrow in those places, you definitely want to pay attention. Have your mobile phone with you handy with the Valley News Live weather app to check on the radar here if you're going to be outdoors. By 2 o'clock, moving into the Minnesota area and over into Lakes Country into the afternoon hours, and then this continues eastward by tomorrow evening around dinner time with a couple of lingering showers and thunder showers late tomorrow night with things quieting down. Temperatures, though, only making their way into the 70s for highs tomorrow. So again, we're going to be seeing some rain roll through by Monday evening. Some places getting more than a half an inch of rain, perhaps locally heavier than that. And then as we move through the week ahead, a lot of rain showing up in our forecast, 2 to 3 inches perhaps. Not Thursday night. That was a gorgeous night on Fox Lake in Minnesota. John Flatt sent that photo in. Thank you so much. And tomorrow's Flag Day, too. We have a high of 77 degrees expected and also some storms expected. Monday, quieter, a little cooler, too. And then off and on chances for rain next week, Tuesday night and into Wednesday. And also on Friday. And one other thing to mention, those storms tonight and tomorrow, most should stay below severe limits, but 1 or 2 may get strong, so you want to be paying attention.
Definitely want to stick with you in case for all those updates.
Of course. I'll be keeping an eye on things all weekend.
Thank you.